Hello everyone and welcome back to another product review. Today we're looking at the Walthers Mainline SD75i, the Canadian National, and the SD70M Union Pacific. These are two brand new models from Walthers, and I hope that if these are something that you're considering getting for yourself, you'll find this helpful. Okay guys, we're going to get up in here kind of close to start with the SD75i. This is the Canadian National one. It has road-specific details such as the nose lights, nice bright ditch lights. You have some differences in the cab and trucks that are down there. You do have a full interior in the locomotive cab, which is really nice. Number boards are not lighted. Decent details and decals going all the way down. You can see that GF symbol right there below the number, which works out really nice. Nice details. Top vents are see-through, which is really nice as well. Get a better view there. Nice paint and decals on the steps. And coming over here, you have some nice end details. Both of these kits do have the detail sets. They are coming out in the very near future, probably within weeks. And I do plan on getting those for both of those locomotives, and I'll do a video showing you how to do that. So that's kind of the quick look. Moving over here to the SD70M, I should say, SD70M Union Pacific paint job. You can see the differences. You have the high lights here for the headlights. Same thing, non-lighted number boards, but nice detailed interior as well. Nice paint. You can see the little UP symbol there on the side of the cab, which is really nice. Nice details. The brake wheel, same thing, see-through vents. And this overall is a very nice model as well. Looks very good. You can see where there are pre-drilled spots, well, not pre-drilled, I should say, pre-marked for you to drill on these, where there will be places for you to put the grab irons, the other things like that are going to be those detail kits. And if we look at the nose again, should be able to see that there's the grab iron spots here along the nose, so that you can get up and add sand to the sanders, fun stuff like that. It'll come with like the MU hoses that go down here. Both of these locomotives are DCC and Sound because I like doing that option. This is the ESU sound. It's the more basic decoder because it's the mainline, but it sounds great. I'm going to go through the startup and shutdown process for you. I have two different horns programmed into each of these, just so that you can kind of hear some differences in the horns and normal sounds, but they are loud, they sound great, and I hope you guys will enjoy that as well. So give me 1 second here. Okay, here are some sounds for you. We'll go through startup and we'll move on from them, and then I'll show you the headlights and how bright they are and nice. These, like the true-to-life versions of their counterparts, do run where they will start up and while they idle, they sit there and they'll auto notch up for a little bit and then they'll notch down, and you'll just hear them kind of like sit there and bounce back and forth between those two sounds like that. So that's a pretty normal thing for these. just like that. We'll go ahead and throttle this up so that you can hear it. You also hear the air compressor there. And throttle that down. Alright, and then here's our shutdown. Very nice. Alright, here you go. There you can see some nice bright lights, ditch lights, headlights. You can see I also have the rear light on the UP locomotive so that you see what that looks like. Very nice. They look very nice. I have some run-by videos I'll put in here next where it's coming around a curve and it looks decently nice. But it's nice to see those nice and bright. It used to be in the past that when Walthers first started doing the main lines with ditch lights, they did them a different way. They tried to use like basically a clear plastic tubing to make the ditch lights light up. Have a couple of those locomotives, those are the Gevos, and they really don't look good. They're not bright at all. So I'm happy to see that these are nice and bright as well to match the headlights. Alright, coming around to the UP side, you can see that nice bright high headlight and the ditch lights there. Those look really nice. And then there's that Canadian National tail light right there as well. Looks, or reverse light I guess I should say. Looks nice and bright as well. There you go. Alright, I hope this gives you a nice quick overview of these, and if you have questions or anything, let me know. Otherwise, happy model railroading, and thanks for stopping by.